How to resize an element or a section in a Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make a resize for any elements or sections that you have inserted into your Hostinger website. So the process is going to be very easy. We're going to head over the Hostinger website builder by heading over first the Hostinger website, which is going to be hostinger.com. Sign in for an account, and we are going to be faced with the H panel or the dashboard of Hostinger. Now we are going to head over the left side of the screen. We're going to see the menu items, click on websites, websites list, and then we are going to select one of the websites that are appearing in here. Click on edit website and wait for the website editor to load up. Once you have added or set up the specific website that you have, and also you see the elements loaded, you're going to see all the elements or the component of the website. The sections contains the elements, and the elements or the different elements are going to be composed of the section, or they are going to be a component for the section. How we can make the elements here resizable, or make a element something that we can change the size of it. Basically, it is going to be crucial that you're going to specify the element. For example, if you're going to have here text, you can go ahead and have the text not the size of it, for example, like that. You cannot resize it by this, but either you're going to click on edit text, or right there the element, and then you're going to put the font size, for example, to something smaller. For example, the heading is going to be 88. We're going to put it as 32. And this is resized, or the resizing of the text. And for the other elements, like another text, it is going to be crucial also to do that. For the buttons, you can go ahead and make the button smaller, or you can go ahead and make it bigger with the resizing, as you can see, squares. Here we have the resizing, or 4 resizing squares at the corners of each one of the button, as you can see. Also, we can make it smaller, taller, rounder, or maybe larger, just like that. So for example, here we have set up the buttons, the text, maybe the image. We're going to search for an image. This is an image. When you select the image, it is going to be the same deal. You're going to have here the 4 corners, or 4 square corners. You're going to make sure that you're going to adjust it, resize it to the perfect size like that. Make it wider, for example, like that, or you can go ahead and make it smaller. So this is something that we need like that. So basically, this is the right structure, and also it is going to be the right size. So now we are going to talk about how we can resize the section. If you're going to add here a section, you can go ahead and add a section like that. I'm going to add a blank section, and you are going to see that at the end of the section, we have the section height. And this is going to control the section size. So we can make here a section smaller or bigger. So it is going also to be available for all type of sections. For example, we are going to have this section, can make it a little bit bigger, smaller, or whatever, like that. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.